Just a few days ago, British Airways announced a very sad news that will be retiring all their remaining 747s from their fleet. This news is especially sad for a longtime 747 fan like me. So today I'll be paying my respect to those legends of the sky by drawing one of them. The 747s have been my personal favorite plane for many years. I especially love the outline and the double deck design of the 747s. Here, as you can see, the plane is taking off and climbing. This perspective shows the plane really well. It also gives the plane more dynamic. Alright, here we're finished with the outline. We're gonna start working on the livery. Okay, now we're done with the plane. We're just gonna add some clouds in the background. Okay, now we're finally finished with this beautiful 747, and that's my own unique way to pay my respect to those retiring legends. Again, this plane took me many hours to draw, so if you like this drawing, definitely give it a thumbs up, as well as taking only one quick second to subscribe to the channel to stay tuned in. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.